My first kill to this grandpa. Rank does not matter. Yeah, Louis. Rank does not matter. I see somebody. I see somebody. I, I fucking see somebody. Yes, yes. Peek, peek at me. Oh, 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 oh. Wait, is that a tiger? Oh, that's a tiger. Ah, it felt so good. Ah, this feels so good. That's a Panzer core. Oh, Panzer core. Is that a ricochet? That's a ricochet. That's a ricochet. Ah, ganda. It's do or die. It's fucking do or die. It's do or die, baby. It's do or die. I see someone. I don't know if this is me. What the? It's okay. It's worth. It's worth. Worth. Yun. Tiger. Tiger down. There's another tiger. However, I'm still reloading. Ah, I could kill you if I wanted to. I could definitely kill you if I wanted to. If I can. Use kids matter. I love it. I love this. I love playing KV in 6.3 battle rating. It's satisfying. I definitely saw somebody in here. There you are. I appreciate. Yes! Yes! Yes. Ano, that's not an American tank. That is... You're dead. Boom! Yeehaw! Womp womp. What? What is it? Womp wono. Womp... What? I don't see anyone. Oh, somebody just died. Oh, there you are. Yes, 3 kills. 3 kills in just 1 round. Yes. 3 kills in just 1 round. Baby, I love it. Ooh, nice. And I see somebody. Wait, what? We can go in here, really? Really? This is actually my first time. knowing the spot. Yes, baby. I see somebody. I see somebody. I see somebody. Yeah. I love this. I love my job. I love KB. I can see somebody. Bro, it's there, bro. It's there. Right. I could see somebody. Please let me hit this. Ah, goddamn. I forgot to I forgot to record again. I have 3 kills. Bruh. Oh my god. I just literally woke up and I'm just trying to do this job. That's worth of 3 kills. That's like a couple of hours for me that I just wasted in just 10 minutes. Bro, I see somebody. I hope this penetrates it. Yes, sir. Yes, baby. Yes. Ooh. There's one more, but I still need to reload though. What? That's an assist? Really? There you are. Boom! Ah yes, constant penetration. God damn it. Uh-oh. Nice. What? Good. Okay, non-penetration. I'm dead. 100%. What? I killed 2. Is that it? Oh! Ah, yes, this is actually my first time killing 2 people with 1 round. I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. I see somebody. I see somebody. You're dead, buddy. Oh! What? That's a critical hit? Really? Yoink! Boom! Panzer 4 down. According to intelligence. Okay, you're dead. Yoink! It's non-penetration. Yoink! And why am I not reloading? Yoink! What? I didn't fire at all? You're kidding.